Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about the Bootstrap 5 Flex. The biggest differences between Bootstrap 3 and Bootstrap 4 and 5 is that Bootstrap 5 now uses Flexbox. Instead of floats to handle the layout, the flexible box layout module makes it easier to design flexible responsive layout structure without using a float or footstool. If you are new to Flex, you can read easily about the CSS Flexbox. Okay, so Flexbox is not supported in the Internet Explorer 9 and earlier versions. If you require Internet Explorer, then you can easily download it from the Google Chrome. Okay, so if you want to create the Flexbox container and to transform direct children into Flex item, you can use the d-flex class. So for example, if I want to make it, so first of all, I'm just going to create a div here. Okay, div. Okay, and inside the div I am just creating a class here. Okay, so for this class I need to convert it in the flexbox, that is d-flex, and I can give the padding is equal to 3, and I can give the background color, that is secondary. Okay, and I can create the text color, that is text minus white. Okay, and after that I can create another div class here. Okay, div, and that is the Bootstrap 5 Flexbox 1. Okay, and for this div, if I click in the run, so now we can see our Bootstrap Flexbox is created, right? So for this one I am just giving the class, and the class is, first of all I will give the padding -2 and the bg minus danger. Okay, and if I click in the run, so now you can see here there is a small flexbox is created, flex item is created, right? So I'm going to create another div again. So I'm just giving the bootstrap 5 item 2, and I'm just giving a class here, that is class is called to padding -2 and bg minus primary. And if I click in the run, so now we can see another button is created, right? So if I click here if I created another div item, and that is bootstrap 5 flexbox item 3. Okay, and if I click in the run, so now you can see another flex item is created, but I need to give a class here, and that is padding -2 and bg minus success. If I click in the run, so now you can see here the flex item is created. So in this way you can easily create. Okay, so and if you want to create the inline flexbox container, then in that case just you have to type here d minus inline minus flex. Okay, so if I click in the run, so now we can see these are the inline flexbox. Okay, so you can create the horizontal direction also. So for this one, just you have to use the flex minus row classes to display the flex items horizontally, and this is also the by default horizontal direction. Okay, and if you want to make it the vertical direction, you have to use the flex minus column. Okay, so for this one, just you have to type here flex minus column. Okay, so for example, if I type here flex minus column, and if I click in the run, so now we can see my flexbox items came down. So in this way you can use the bootstrap flexbox. So hoping that you get few ideas. So I'll come back with another new video. Thank you so much.